First on 5, the lawyer for the man charged with murder for a shooting downtown on New Year's Eve says his client acted in self-defense.
A judge denied bond today for Thomas Earl Thomas Jr. WKRG News 5's Nicolette Schleisman joins us in the studio with more on that ruling. Nicolette?
Yeah, Devin, Peter. So the judge made that decision based on the state's request under Anaya's law. That's the new law that allows judges to deny bond for suspects in violent crimes to help prevent more crime. Thomas Earl Thomas Jr. is charged with murder, assault, and shooting into an occupied and unoccupied building. Thomas's lawyer maintained his client acted to protect himself.
I believe it's self-defense. Please, look at my client. Look at my client's history. He is a good kid. But when it's your life, your brains are going to be on the sidewalk, you best better believe you have a right to defend yourself.
Mobile Police Chief Paul Prine says Thomas was the instigator of the violence that night.
And the shooter and the victim got into some sort of verbal altercation where Mr. Thomas pulled out his handgun and immediately shot and killed our victim. And then he engaged in gunfire with an associate of the victim and then indiscriminately shot into a crowd, wounding 7 other people. That cannot be tolerated in a civil society.
The shooting happened on Dauphin Street near Joachim Street around 11:15 Saturday night as people packed downtown ahead of the moon pie drop. Police say Thomas and Jatarius Reeves were arguing, and Thomas pulled out his gun and killed Reeves. Police say a friend of Reeves fired back at Thomas. Both ended up shooting each other. Police say Thomas, Reeves, and the person who fired back all have gang ties. Now, Thomas will be back in court next week for a pretrial detention hearing under Anaya's law that will determine if there is enough evidence to detain Thomas without bail until trial. Live in the studio, Nicolette Schleisman, WKRG News 5.